Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. The application knowledge tact for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions, it consists of 40 kind different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions, we are put on the following after the teaching video already. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Action. Last class, we gave this lesson hand action, leg action, and connect leg hand action. Many people ask, how many quantity we need to do for that action each day? Good question. We give correct answer is 100 times. Shall we do more? No, you cannot do more. 100 times enough, because after our few decades deeply hard research and back practice, finally we got a conclusion 100 times enough for one day for one person. Shall we do less? Of course, especially for beginner. You just a new join, you need to practice, adjust action, make a correct action, so you maybe need to repeat, so you can do that. However, when you get a professional, we also ask you to do 100 times for each day in order to protect your health. Before we do the 100 times, we need to know a couple of things. Everybody must remember. Number one, the feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any sound. Number two, the step cannot big, just half. And two, foot form the T shape. Weight in the front leg, feet, and the back only toe touch floor. But if you cannot stand in your feet, no big power, so you can total use whole feet. But finally, when you got the professional, we also suggest you to use the toe only, because it is good for protect your health. And always keep your body upright. And avoid leaning forward and backward. Your hand, middle, and turn. Right turn, reverse turn. And this hand put here is as close as your body. and that hand here only one way, and with body one flat, ear side. Cannot do that way or that way. That hand also. Now that. And that hand, top, head, center. People center line. Cannot do that way, or that way. Yes. Action correct. It is very important. Somebody say, I cannot do that way. Easy. Start, you can do that way. Then, slowly. Finally, you got the right way. Yes. But you cannot do that way. That's not good. You only can do that. Little by little. Yes. We still need to count. Choose two different language to count. In here, we suggest you use English and Han. Somebody say, excuse me, why should we choose two different languages to count? Good question. Because we need our trick and long exercise, everyday exercise, and to protect our trick and long, far away bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease, and so on, many different diseases. So we need to choose two different language to count. Somebody say, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you come from Germany, right? You can use English and German language, Deutsch, right? So, either way, just remember, choose two different language to count and to protect our trick and the long. Of course, your eyes must watch, friend, and smelling face. Your head should think how could make your action correct. Make your every part is busy. Okay, now everybody follow me to do the 100 times for 1 day action quality. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 4, 4 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 5 5 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 6 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 7 7 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 8 8 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 9 9 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 10 10 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 Wonderful. Do this action. Shoot slowly, cannot make fast. And one by one, make correct. And feet, starting, you can use the whole feet. And finally, you got a profession. You can use the toe only. It is a much help protect your health. For example, yes, only use the toe. Look the side. Yes, that's very much help because we lifting ourselves against the earth that force us a great deal. That's very important. However, when you sit, no big power, you just use the whole feet. It is the same, but just a bit less effect, a bit less. Yes. And somebody say, I cannot do that. Either way, you can do that. Then, step by step. You're too smart. Everybody is too smart. That's not complication action. So, we do step by step. Finally, absolutely, you can do correct action. Learn correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. At home, you can easily join Golden Int'l Daily Actions. Protect your own health. You can easily follow broadcasts, various pandemic, lung diseases, and many diseases. You got wonderful, happy life.